You can have one and Braxton can have the other.
I can have three.
Okay.
How do you keep this unconnected?
We're working on it. Hold on. Hold on. What kind of toys are those?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mommy! Who are they?
Come on in, Mommy.
What do you have?
That toy.
A what? You got a cat toy?
Yeah.
What do you guys have cat toys for?
What I got.
That's cool. You like it?
Who are they, Daddy?
What was that
Hear
noise?
that?
She come here. What do you think is in there?
Maybe or cats again.
What?
Maybe over there.
Should I open them?
Yeah.
If I can?
I think it's a bunny rabbit.
What? Let me see.
Hi, kitty. Aww.
Look.
Two kitties?
Aw, are you okay? This for them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I can watch this one.
Guess what?
What?
We get to keep them.
Do they need my dog? They love us.
Do they love us?
We get to pick him.
We get to keep
We get to keep them?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah. How did we keep them? Hi.
Mommy and Daddy got them for you. Come here. It's okay. Don't chase him. We got to be very nice because they're babies.
When are they going to grow up?
I don't know. We'll have to watch.
Here you. This is your toy. Did it allow me to give me it?
Uh-huh.
And my dog's out there too.
Well, we'll have to wait and see.